Hey everyone, welcome back to ITPK. In this quick video, we will learn how to download and install latest version of iTunes on Windows 11. Just open up your any browser, go to google.com. In google.com, please type Apple iTunes download. Let's go to iTunes and don't worry about the download link. I will add download link in the video description. On the iTunes download page, just scroll little down and make sure you have checked the Windows system requirement before downloading and installing iTunes on your computer or a laptop. Scroll again above and go ahead and click on Get It from Microsoft. Here you will get an option to download iTunes. Just click on this button, specify the download location and click on Save. I got iTunes installer file downloaded in my computer. The next option I will show you is View in Store. If you are logged in your Microsoft Store, just click on View in Store, open Microsoft Store here, and you will see Get button here. Just go ahead and click on Get. This option will now download and install iTunes into your Windows 11. So basically, we have seen two legit and official methods to download iTunes on Windows 11. The first method we followed is downloading from the iTunes official website. And the second method is we could go ahead and open up Microsoft Store to download it. And if you want to install it from the downloadable exe file, here you could also go ahead and proceed installation with the downloadable file. But as we have started it in Microsoft Store, so let it download and we will begin with the installation. At this page, please go through all the license terms and agreement and click agree. Again, click on agree. Here we got our iTunes download and install quickly on our Windows 11 laptop. Now just go ahead and sign in to iTunes Store with your Apple ID and a password. So that's it about today's quick video. I hope you liked this simple tutorial. Thanks for watching ITPK and I will see you in the next one.